Jeff, earlier on you mentioned DNS Changer.
Yep.
DNS Changer, which was started in 2007 by an Estonian company known as Rove Digital, points victims to rogue DNS servers placed in Estonia, New York, and Chicago. And it's going to respond to their DNS queries with false information, mainly to redetect them to advertising websites. Mm-hmm. Now, it has infected over 4 million customers, generating a profit of approximately $14 million. DNS Changer had the capability of a brute force attack. It used the feature to attack home routers and change the DHCP configuration on them, infecting everyone who's connected to that router. Now, on July 9th, 2012, the FBI seized the rogue DNS servers. There were so many ISPs around the globe that had internet disruption that day, which means that they were infected too.
All right, we've already mentioned the Melissa virus, but you may have heard of it before. It got its fame because it deserved it, really. It was infamous. That's how famous it was. Melissa spread around the globe, infecting thousands of users in just a few hours after launching way back on March 26, 1999. It's based on both a macrovirus and a worm to make it spread as quickly as possible. And even large companies like Microsoft were infected by Melissa. Microsoft had to shut down their email system. You probably remember this to prevent further spreading. It was a bit of a glitch. Melissa used Microsoft Word 97 and 2000 as hosts for the macro code. Microsoft Outlook 97 and 98 email clients were used by the worm to send a copy of the virus.
The virus activates when a condition is met.
That's right.
Now, if the infected file is activated at a time when the minutes of the hour match the day of the month only, like, for example, 12/25 on the 25th of any month, and inserts the following phrase, 22 points plus triple word score plus 50 points for using all my letters.
Which I've never done in my life.
Game over. I'm out of here. Which is from the cartoon movie, The Simpsons, right? We all remember that.
Yep.
Now, in the open Microsoft Word document. So that's what it would do.
Yeah.